Now this is an antique bird cage I brought, and I had to do some work on it because it wasn't singing, and the interior looked really bad, so I redecorated it, as you can see. And the bird wasn't singing, so I had to open it up, and I'm gonna let you hear the bird sing. So now the bird's singing. I'm going to open it up and let you see what I had to do. Now this is what was happening. When I opened this up, this arm right here to the bellows was pumping right for the release valve, but the bird was not singing. So I said, let me make an arm for this so it can pump this reserve valve, because when I pumped the reserve valve by itself and let the motor run, it would sing. So I said, let me make an arm for it, so when this arm pumps the bellow, it's connected to the release valve, and that makes the whistle do the bird sound. Because I was not getting any sound, and I didn't have the money to ship this off somewhere to try to get it fixed, the bellow fixed, because the one-way valve inside, something is going on with it, and it's not putting air to the reserve valve. So I'm going to let you see what I did and how it works. See? So for all you that don't have money to send this bellows out to get refixed and retore down and fixed inside for the valve inside to work, then this is your solution right here. Make a little arm, and it'll make that pump, reserve pump, sing again. Easy fix. You just drill a little hole in your arm right here and connect a piece and make it the same bend like I have on here. I just used a piece of aluminum and grinded it down and made another arm for the reserve side of the bellow. And I didn't have the money to ship this off to France or Russia or Germany, wherever they come from. And I didn't have no one here that could work on this, so I just said, let me fix this myself. And hopefully you won't have to do this to yours, but if you don't have the money and your bird's not singing, pump this valve, and if you hear it start singing, pump the reserve valve, you hear it start singing, then that's something wrong with the one-way valve inside. So that's what you're going to have to do. Either take the whole bellows off and get inside of here and find that one-way valve and fix it, whatever you got to do. And that's a lot of work. So if you pump this piece right here and with your finger and you can hear the whistle going, then all you have to do is make an arm like this, and you'll get your bird singing. All right, thanks. Give me a thumbs up.